Move that there. Let's talk about make the about just a little bit bigger. Oh, about, there we go. Yeah, there we go. About it. Yep, with that size. All right. So now that you get your words there, it's time to add some more elements to the thumbnail. So this is where we'll go to our shapes, and we'll go down to custom tools. Now what I'm getting rid of is a circle, so you can either go to the ellipse tool or down to custom shape tool. When you click on custom shape tool, your Photoshop is set up, you just click on shape.